here, come over here. Check out my new shoes. They're the brand new 1, 2. Buckle my shoes. 3, 4. Buckle some more. 5, 6. Nike kicks. That is so fire. Brand new day with my new buckle, my shoes. Oh no, my other buckle fell off. It's all right. Not gonna hurt me. Yeah, it is a normal day. It was in the 1, 2 buckle my shoe day, or day in the life of 1, 2 buckle my shoes. That should be a video. Okay, you ready? Dry run. Okay, hold it. Okay, yep, you got it. You got it there. 3, 2. This is the dry run, right? Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Wait. Cut. Dry run. And I gotta do it right. Well, it's fine because it's the dry run, but still gotta practice. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Yo, come over here. Check out my new shoes. They're the brand new 1, 2. Okay, I buckle my shoes. 3, 4. Buckle some more. 5, 6. 4. Nike kicks. Woo! That is so fire. That was a good dry run. Oh no, my buckle fell off. No! My buckle fell off. Dad, end the video, okay? It's embarrassing. It's too embarrassing. It's embarrassing enough. Come on, end the clip.